tack up top, right?
I think so. It'd be easier to see.
Get the reins back in here. I'm gonna come back and clean that with the polish.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna cut that whole entire part out.
That's fine.
That's clean.
Is it going?
Yeah. Hit you in there.
Which? Yeah. I was afraid of it.
Well, at least it'll be held in snug.
Yeah.
Wow.
But
Tighten them to it.
now I just want to try these little nip bites.
Well, that's what we're gonna do. That is super freaking clean. Oh my gosh.
That's so cool.
They're gonna be bright at night.
Yeah, the only thing we might have to do is get some rubber, like foam
Yeah.
stuff, and line it on the top of there so it doesn't shine back at you.
Yeah. Shoot, cutting the nip lights off. Not gonna be that dark, but that's pretty sweet, dude.
Pretty cool. This one only had one screw in it, but I'm gonna see if we can find another screw to put in the bottom to try to tighten it up more.
All them screws the same?
Huh?
Is all them screws the same?
Yeah.
This side's up, so I don't know if it really matters all that much. Dude. Dude! Holy crap, son. Is that the backrest deal?
Yeah.
Dang, so you don't even have to ride that if you want to.
Huh?
So you don't even have to ride that if you don't want to.
You got to.
And the other old seat.
It's probably about the same. Dude, that's perfect. That is so perfect. This is gonna be a little bit further back too. It's gonna be like somewhere around in there. So it's gonna be tight. You have this footrest down. See? Dude, that'll be perfect. And then when this is up, and you're just cruising.
If this burns up that drill,
After all we've done with
exactly.
it. Look, this is still better than nothing. You see how that glass brightens up when it gets that alcohol and gets cool?
Alright, swap this. Yeah, I got about half of this ridge used already.
You get it?
So we got this inappropriate alcohol here.
Yeah.
I mean, isopropyl.
I mean, this is pretty freaking ridiculous at the holes in this thing.
It is. Not all ours, thankfully.
No, I know.
But still, it's like, really?
We don't need you to be ready with the tape on.